Wherever we are, situational awareness of the people and events around us help us protect our team, friends, family, and ourselves. Conditions at the beach are always changing, so our awareness and choices matter every minute.
Make guarded beaches your first choice, so ocean professionals are on your team.
Be aware of where to find help and the beach name or landmarks so you can help rescuers find you fast if you have to call 911. Stay aware of safe places and safe paths to get there, whether you're in the water or on the sand. If you see someone in trouble, the only play to call is take 10. Stay calm and take 10 seconds to plan the next steps, signaling to others, calling 911, and protecting yourself first. Don't become a tragic second victim. Look for something that can work as a rescue float or throw rope so you can reach further and help the person in trouble keep their head above water. Never make direct contact with a panicking victim who may drag you under with them. From a few feet away, and hopefully with your feet in the sand, reach to them with a towel or float and pull them towards safety. Sometimes the most important thing you can do is keep a victim calm so rescuers have time to arrive.
Got a minute? Watch another Blue IQ video to learn more and stay safe at the shore.